Hi, Tracy here with Acrylic Art Expression. Today I'm going to try my hand at using the blow dryer and a Dutch pour with a blowout using all earthy tones. So let's just get started and see if we can give her a go. I'm making this piece for my cousin, and it's my first one. Might have made that a little too thick, I don't know. We'll see. So I hope everyone had like a really nice Easter. Got to see their families. Let's see. Start off with a little bit of black. Let's do some whites. Love this orange. It's so pretty. I made it myself. Yes, I made this orange myself. I like dark orange. This is a pretty color. Pearlescent blue. Iridescent green. This green on there. Oh, getting a lot of colors. And let's see, I got my copper. That's one going on. Maybe we'll put just a little bit of black on top. Right, I might not have enough black. Just a little.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Guys, can you see it? It's so pretty to me. I love it. My cousin's absolutely going to love it. I love it. I can't believe it. I finally did it with the blow dryer. Yes. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. Please subscribe. I'm new here to YouTube. And if you subscribe, you get to see what I post next. Thank you.